Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and we're going to talk about Cosmos for this episode. But before we do that, please hit the like and subscribe button so we can help the algorithm. And let's go. Let's get into it. All right. So here is Cosmos chart right now. Let me get my ugly face out of the way. And if you look at this, it's kind of forming a cup and handle pattern. I mean, it's not perfect, obviously, because it went way above it. Ideally, it would like start dropping here. But when I'm looking at this chart, I'm thinking that it's going to turn around right about now because it's hitting the support that's right here. And there's some more support here. So if it drops a little bit more, it'll even be more of a reason to buy. So am I going to buy it here? Maybe not. But if it hits about like 28 and 30 range, I'm definitely going to buy some. With that being said, you can look at this right here. And you know, it's forming a pretty nice bull flag right there. So it looks like it's going to break out soon. For people who don't know much about Cosmos, we can look at their website right here. So it is an internet of blockchains. It's an ever expanding ecosystem of interconnected apps and services built for a decentralized future. It's using the inter-blockchain communication protocol. This innovation enables you to freely exchange assets and data across sovereign decentralized blockchains. And then here they talk about their marketplace, which is set to operate a next-gen decentralized exchange, swapping digital assets from across the interchain with very low fees and instant transaction confirmation. So there's a lot of different protocols that are like this, but it is one of the highest. Look at this. If you look at Cosmos, it's pretty high volume. For the last 24 hours, 656 million were exchanged. It's also the 26th best crypto. So there's a lot going on there, and it has taken a little poop in the last 7 days. So in my opinion, it would be, and this is for entertainment purposes only, don't take my advice, don't buy something just because I think it's good, but I think it's a pretty good time to buy. But I think that like this chart, if it, you know, right around 30 is going to be like a really much better time to buy. I mean, I know it's only like, you know, 8% or so, but 8% is 8%. So anybody who caught the bottom of this candle, that would be a pretty good time to buy, because then you just got that 10% gain in like a matter of a day, especially if you bought it here, bought it there. That's what I do a lot of times. I'll buy it low, and then if I see it get stuffed at a line, then I'll just sell it and then rebuy here. And then, you know, if I see it breaking through the line on high volume, I can zoom in a little to see what I mean. Like, for example, I would buy it here, and then I would see that it's getting stuff there and sell it there, and then maybe buy some more like when it hits here again. And then if you see it going through this line on high volume, that's where I wouldn't sell. I probably would even buy more, because if it breaks through this, it's probably going to go to 44, which is easily like a, I don't know, 50% gain, almost 50, like 40, 30, 40 range percent gain, which is very likely to happen. And then if it can break through here, it could really explode. So it's following this chart, you know, since we're on the 4-hour, I'll make the chart a little more perfect for you, I guess, right around there. So, you know, if you see it hit 40, it's probably going to fly. It's really hyped. A lot of people are looking at this. I think it's a really good crypto for the future, but do your own research. This is just a short video on my technical analysis. I haven't really looked a ton into it and its uses. I'm big on just technical analysis and spotting breakouts. And I don't think that this is a really strong buy or a really strong sell right now. It's kind of in the like, look at what it does. But if you're looking long term, I see this doubling in value in the next few years. So take that with a grain of salt. And that's pretty much all I got for right now. So make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. I'm going to do a lot of videos. I'm going to try to cover almost all of the top 50 cryptos. I'm going to make different videos on it. You can look at my library. I got a bunch that I did in the last few days because I have been very bullish on crypto lately. I think we have an alt season that is about to like really explode. I think the alt season is coming and it could go parabolic. I mean, we could see gains that are just going to like obliterate anything we've seen before. And I think it's coming soon in the next few months. So I definitely have loaded up. If we can see those possible 3, 4, 5x gains, I'm going to be able to make a little bit. And yeah, so just staying hopeful on the crypto, and you're going to see mass adoption by hedge funds. And it's a good thing for everybody. So keep your eyes on the charts and have a nice day. Peace.